Guys, Alex Yala will going to play tonight para sa kanyang National Bank Open campaign sa Toronto, Canada. Well, this is really gonna be tough for her kasi nga after winning that historic moment sa Washington sa Mubadala DC Open, isang araw yata yung pahinga niya, di ba? Tapos after that, lumipad siya sa Canada para naman sa kanyang laro. Okay? Well, this is really great, but the problem here is after winning that historic moment in Washington, she called her family, I think, and we've noticed that she had some problem with her left hand. I don't know if it was blisters or what, pero talagang siguro mahapdi, masakit, kaya nilagyan niya ng ice. Okay, kasi left-handed siya, guys. So ito yung ginagamit niya talaga na panghawak sa racket, pangampas, ano. But hopefully she's going to be okay throughout our campaign. You know, she was trained for this instance, di ba? Napakatibay na atleta natin. And then tomorrow na naman, she will also be playing with Venus Williams sa women's doubles. Ano? Again, ito naman tayo, Team Puyatters, and you know, I'm encouraging everyone to pray for Alex Yala. You know, she's not just only doing this for herself, but for all of us Filipinos to, you know, to make us united, di ba?